So, in my last video, I had made a loaf of challah bread. If you hadn't seen that, I'd suggest you go and check that out. As I wash up, let me just go through this recipe that I'll be working with. Here, we have 12 eggs. We'll be separating those. We have 4 cups of milk. We have 2 cups of heavy cream, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, sugar. I'm using 1 cup of sugar. You need a whisk, 3 bowls, and a pot. Now, let's see what I'm up to. I'm just finishing up. Well, here I come to crack some eggs, so get ready. Make sure you use the happy eggs. Got 4 cups of milk, and we're going to add to that 2 cups of heavy cream. I like to go with the one with the cow on it. I'll measure up to the letter. And we'll put this into the pot and let it start to simmer so I can put the rest of this back in the fridge. This. 4. Where's theirs? Okay. This goes on about medium heat. This one. While we let this heat up, we're going to mix our sugar into our egg yolks. And we're going to use this normal size whisk. It is not small. This is an average whisk. Okay? It's not small. Very nice. Now all we need to do is wait for this to start to simmer, and you can tell it's simmering because it's got steam coming up and little bubbles are starting to form. You're going to want to stir because you don't want the bottom to burn. Okay, so let's watch that. This is what we're starting to see. Thicker bubbles on the surface of the cream. There's some movement in the pan. There's lots of steam. It's definitely hot enough to cook the egg. So we're going to take this off the heat. As soon as we get it back in here, we're going to continue stirring vigorously on low. We're going to do this for about 2 minutes. Okay, I'm just posted up right here, admiring our work, feeling the custard start to thicken over time, making sure that I'm not letting the bottom get too hot, because when we strain it, we don't want anything got my obligatory sample cup tasting. Ooh, that nutmeg and cinnamon on there? Ooh. Now you can go to the store, but I made it so you don't have to.